Noise. There's two kinds of error. Figure 1, 4 teams, Team A, Team B, Team C, Team D. The shooting age is a metaphor for what can go wrong human judgment, especially in the diverse decisions that people make on behalf of organizations. In these situations, we find two types of error illustrated in Figure 1. Some judgments are biased. They are systematically off target. Other judgments are noisy, as people who are expected to agree end up at very different points around the target. Many organizations, unfortunately, are afflicted by both bias and noise. Figure 2. Look at the bag of target.